X7L unboxing. Remove the packaging. All accessories are included inside. Remove the kickstand mounting screw, align with the frame hole, and install the mounting screw. Remove the bicycle fork protector screws and take off the protective bracket. Remove the brake pad protective bracket. Install the front wheel. Install the screws, making sure the washers are facing the correct direction. Remove the handlebar clamp mounting screws. Install the handlebar, adjust it to a comfortable position, and tighten the clamp screws. Remove the front light mounting screws. Install the front light, adjust it to the proper angle, then secure it with the screws. Align the arrows and plug in the connectors. Adjust the brake lever to the appropriate angle, then tighten the mounting screw. Tighten the left pedal by turning it to the left, counterclockwise. Tighten the right pedal by turning it to the right, clockwise. Power it on and run a test.